Hello everyone, and then welcome to our course on Adobe Aero. In our previous lesson, we learned to do something with the directable characters, or in one of the lessons. Now, in this lesson, we want to do something with the Adobe Mixamo. Okay, so with Adobe Mixamo, as you can see here, these characters were from Adobe Mixamo. Um, this Adobe Mixamo gives us the ability to add characters, okay, animated characters to our Aero projects without we having to animate things on our own. So you can see these ones are not made in Aero or are not available as directable characters in Adobe Aero. So you have to visit Mixamo and then you can sign up or log in based on that. If you've not logged in before, you sign up. I've logged in before, so I'm going to use my Google account to log in since I've already signed up for Mixamo. So once that is done, this is the environment or the interface. Okay, and then we have, yeah, so we have characters that you can choose and then you can click. We have the characters and then the animations. Okay, we'll basically be working on these ones as the characters and the animation. These are the menus we'll be doing using. You can scroll down to see the available animations, and then you can select the number of animations or sorry characters to see in a page. Okay. You can also type to search for a character. So okay, so standing is not available. Let's try another one. Dancing is also not available as a character. Okay. So I'm just going to click on characters and then let's use the available ones here. So let's see which one we want. I'm going to scroll down and then I'll look for Amy. Okay. Or let's look for Granny. So 96 per page. Then or you can even type here Granny. Okay, where the search it's not so I'm going to look for Granny. Okay, so this Sporty Granny. So you're going to use Sporty Granny. So you click on it, and this shouldn't appear. Okay, but since it remembers or my previous activity, it is asking me whether I should keep or use the new character. So I'm going to click on Use New Character. You shouldn't see this. Okay, that notification. So it's going to load, and then yeah, this is Sporty Granny. It's type with her skin. Okay, yeah, she really looks sporty. So with Sporty Granny, we can see from here, I wouldn't be using these settings. You can decide to choose or select any of these animations here. Moonwalk, so I'm going to type Moonwalk. Let's see if Moonwalk is available. Okay, so there's Moonwalk and I'm going to click on Moonwalk. Okay, so let's see how Sporty Granny moonwalks. So yeah, so she's doing her moonwalk. You can decide to change the moonwalk to any other animation you want. Okay, so I'll click on download, make sure these things are okay. So with skin, okay, so with skin is okay. I'll click on download. Okay, so once it's downloaded, I'm going to save it to where it's supposed to be downloaded. So 4.9 megabytes. That's quite okay since we wouldn't be doing large projects. Okay, so with my Adobe Aero interface open, I can decide to open a new file or open a new project. But I'm going to use the directable character project that we did previously. Okay, you can decide to create a new project, but let's use the ones we've already done. So I'm going to click here and then look for where I downloaded Spotty Granny and then click open. Once it's opened, let's see, let's wait for Adobe Aero to load. Okay, so this Spotty Granny, she's loaded into the interface or the Canva or working environment, and I'm going to position her well using the arrows or yeah, the arrows. Then let's see. So we need to animate her. Okay. So to animate her, we'll use the animate icon here, and then scene start. So on scene start, when the person launches their program, we're going to click here and then simply click on play animation. Okay. So you can see the properties here. So she comes with a pre-made moonwalk lesson activity or animation. Then I'm going to click infinite. So she's forever going to moonwalk. Test our project by clicking the play. Then let's preview our project, and then you can see Granny is forever going to moonwalk. Yeah, so this is how you can use Mixamo characters in your Adobe Aero, and then it saves you time from having to employ someone to animate a project for you. Okay, so thank you.